Okay, all ready to start? So the next step in our equations is to put brackets into our equations. So the extra part that we need to do is to expand those brackets first. Okay, so question 1, we're going to times the 7 by each thing inside that bracket. So 7 times x is 7x. Then plus 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, that is equal to the 98. Now it's just a two-step equation, which is what we were practicing last week. So the two numbers that I need to move are the 42 and the 7. Which one am I going to do first? The 42, good. So what's my opposite? Yes, so let's go minus 42 to get rid of that. And then we write down what's left. I have 7x equals 98 minus 42 is 56. Good. All right, the second step is to get rid of the 7. How do we do that? Yep, divide 7. And x equals 8. Very good. All right, so I'm going to do that over and over and over. Question 2, you have to be extra careful when there's a minus sign at the front of your brackets, but we're still going to expand it out. What is minus 4 times 5a? Be negative 20a. Good. Now, negative 4 times 8 is negative 32, and that's equal to minus 172. All right, so the two numbers are the minus 20 and the minus 32. Which one do we do first? Yes, what's the opposite? Very good. Okay, so you may use your calculators. What is left? We have minus 20a, and then we need to do minus 172 plus 32. What do you get? Minus 140. What's the second step? Divide by negative 20 to get rid of that. A is all by itself. Minus 140 divided by minus 20 is 7. Yes? Okay. Look, there's 4 more. You could do one each. Oh, there's 6 more. Oh, okay. You want a question each? Yes? Who wants to go first? No? You've done one already. You've already done a question? Oh, you've done all of them? Oh. Yeah, read it off your book. Question 3. What do you do first? Yes, good. That's timesing it out, and that's equal to 86. Good. Yes, good. That 2 out the front is the one to go first, and its opposite is to minus 2. Okay, so that leaves, what's left? Yes. Very good. And last thing. Good job. All right, who's brave enough to go next? I have to nominate. We're all going to get a turn. Come on, Ashley, go next. Okay, time's it out. You girls try to do it as well, so you're ready for your turn. Yeah, so 18, and then that's a positive 9k. and that's equal to 90. Good, next step. Over 18? Minus, good. Okay, what's left? 72. Yeah, and then over 9. Yeah. Okay, good job. Okay, Chloe, Sophie, who wants to go next? Do it, Chloe. Come on, you can do it. Question 5. Okay, you're going to times this out. That one times that one is? So you're going to have 30 and the n. Okay, now you're going to do 5 times the 5. Yep, so plus 25, then equals the 265. That one doesn't change. Okay, what's your next step? Minus 30. Let me start further away. So you're going to start with the 25. So what's the opposite of your 25? It's a plus 25. So your opposite is going to be minus the 25. Cool. Okay, so we cross these ones off and you have 30n. And what is 265 minus 25? Good. All right, now you're ready to do your 30. What are you going to do with it? It's next to the n. Next to means times. So what's your opposite? Divide. Okay, so you're going to divide by 30. Okay, so the last thing you need to type in is 240 divided by 30, and what's your answer? 8. Good job. All right, Sophie, you're up. Times to times out. What is 5 times negative 1? Very good. Then what is 5 times negative 3r? With the minus, there's a minus sign there. So it should be minus 15r equals minus 125. Okay, what's your next step? It is a minus at the moment. So you got to do, so what's your opposite of the minus 5? Plus 5. We're going to plus 5 here and plus 5 there. What's left? Minus 15r equals, what's that number on the end? Type it in. What's minus 125 plus 5? There, you're plus 5. So minus 125, but then you, yes, minus 120. All right, what's your next step? I gave it away, didn't I? Over the minus 15. Okay, what is your final answer? Yes, wow, look at that, 3 8s in a row. Okay, we're getting there? Yeah, hopefully. Let's do these last couple. So we're going to do minus 5 times 6 is minus 30n. Minus 5 times minus 4 makes a positive 20. And that is equal to 260. What's my next step? Yes, minus 20 minus 20. So I get minus 30n equals, what is 260 minus 20? it's not minus, but just 240. Then what's the next step? Over 30. So we're going to go over minus 30. Type that in your calculator, and you get, I guess it's slightly different. It's minus 8 this time. Okay. 8 times it out. 7 times 3n. 21n. Then plus 7 times 1. Good. Equals the minus 140. Okay, what are we going to do? Minus 7, minus 7. What's left? 21n equals, are you telling me the final answer? Not yet, I'm not there yet. What is minus 140 minus another 7? Are you telling me the answer too? Not yet. Type in minus 140 minus 7. It should be minus 147. Did you do one of them positive? Yeah. Okay, then divide by the 21, and we get n equals, is it going to be 8 again? Not quite. Minus 7. It's pretty close. Lots of numbers, lots of answers very similar there. Okay, exercise 8.